Hello, my name's Ian from Basin Brands, and today we're going to show you a short video on how to clean your basin. These are the tools required for this job. Okay. So tools required for this job would just be normal soap and water and a lint-free cloth. Okay. So when cleaning your basin, you want to make sure that you remove your plug, if possible, to avoid any cleaning agents from getting on your plug. And you want to make sure that you clean the entire area just with soap and water, and make sure that any residue that may get on your brassware is cleaned off, and everything is left dry. Any residues left on your brassware may cause some damage to it. Do not use bleaches or any abrasive chemicals on your basin. It shouldn't be required. If you do need to get rid of any lime scale, normal household vinegar will suffice perfectly well. And again, any residue left on your products from bleaches or harsh chemicals can invalidate your warranty. Once you've finished, you can just reinsert your plug, and that's it. So thank you for watching this short cleaning video. If you need any more videos, you can find them on our website.